Hi, you are welcome to my channel Smart Polished. So far in the last video we discussed about how to plot all the variable against all other variables. Now in this section of video in R programming we'll discuss about that how to plot a bar chart. To plot a bar chart, first import the data set first. And you notice maybe you already imported these data sets. So just copy these data sets and we are taking here this data. So we are taking this data for our making the bar chart from package mass of data car93. After that we'll use the function to make the bar chart. Suppose we want to make the bar chart of air quality. So think about, we are taking not you can take this one also, but we are taking another data sets of air quality. So you will get the air quality data at here. Okay, here it is the air quality data. So run it the air quality data. After that you will make the height of the air quality data you are measuring on that. So height may be like this. T apply I mean you are making the data frame using the air quality data. That should be like this. Air quality data, we are taking the data frame of temperature, and we're taking the air quality data and taking the another data frame of month. Okay, and we are calculating the mean of this data frame. So run it. After you will get the heights. After, by using this height we want to create a bar plot. So bar plot function is only bar plot and use height. So okay, heights. So you will get a plot like this, which is created from air quality data by using the data frame of temperature and month. After that, if you want to do some lower level graphs, I told before already that to add something with this graph. So paste it and given the name like main equal to, suppose mean temperature by month, suppose. Mean temperature by month. After that you want to say like name of the argument. Name of the argument should be like, what is the argument do you want to use in the x-axis. So like May, June, July. May, then you want to use June, then you want to use July. May, June, July. August and September. August and September. August and September. Okay, those are the month you want to use. And suppose you want to use another one like ylab. I mean, what will be the value along the y-axis? To get this one, right here, ylab values with temperature in degree. Okay, temp in, sorry, in degree Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit like this. So run these programs, we'll get the output. I'm did it here silly mistake that, yeah, it was silly mistake here with the bracket only. I think September. After that there should be one comma. After that you will come to the ylab and temperature. Okay, now it's fine. So we'll get the plot at here, press the enter, we'll get the plot here. So May, June, July, August, September. So it is showing like this. If you zoom it, you will get the all the x-axis value, May, June, July, August to September, and the y-axis will get the temperature in Fahrenheit. After that, suppose in this succeeding video, I'm want to show how to adding the confidence interval in a bar chart. So you notice that is the bar chart is the topmost level it here for each or every bar. So you want to add an confidence interval upper and lower bound you should have to find. So think about how to calculate first upper and lower bound of a confidence interval. To do these things, we should have to input first one library called ggplot. So input the library first, taking space here, library ggplot, gplot, sorry, gplots. Okay, after that use attach which data you want to use. I want to use the air quality data. I want to use. After that I will measure the height. So height will be like the t apply of temperature month, t apply temperature month, temperature tmp, and month is month where m is capital, month, and we want to use the function of mean, sorry, mean. So it's fine. All right, so run the program. So okay, fine. All right, after that we want to find the lower and upper bound. So to find the lower bound, we'll do like this. Lower is equal to t apply sorry, t apply of temp month function v, temp, and it is a month, and it is the function of v we're using, where v is nothing temp of the month. And after that we will use t dot test. For the t dot test, we will take the vector v and its confidence interval conf dot int 1. I mean, it will take the confidence interval or lower level of 1. It is mentioned like this. So run this program, it will get the lower level of the graph. After that, to find the upper level of the graph, confidence interval, just it is replaced with upper, okay, and t apply will use the same thing, but here to find the upper level you will use int of 2 and run the programs. After that, plot the bar plot of heights and use the name like plot.ci equal to true and ci dot l equal to confidence interval is equal to the lower, and confidence interval ci dot u means upper equal to upper you will use, and run the programs. So here we will get the one silly mistake error. It's like heights because here it is s, that's why. So run the programs, you got the output at here. So there is 12 warning gives the warning. So there is something warning is given. So I did some mistake little bit. So actually we will use bar plot 2 function to plot the graph of confidence interval, After that we'll use height and plot.ci equal to true. Confidence interval it will take as a true, and confidence interval of lower equal to lower, and confidence interval of upper u dot means upper equal to upper, and run the programs and hit enter. You will get the confidence interval. Now we got the plot at here. See now this plot for 5 6 7 8 and 9 bar plot, it's created the confidence interval for each of the bar plot. So hopefully you got the idea how to create a bar plot confidence interval. So far so this thing. After that we will proceed to the next section of this video, like we'll add something with this. So I'm just copy this line, sorry, not this one, sorry. Should have to remove this one, and I should have to come out here. I should have to modify this one, and we should have to add something with that, like bar plot 2 and confidence interval 2 upper lower is fine, and we are using y limit value, I mean from how many y range it will take. So y lim, see in the vector of range from 50 to 90 it will take 50 to 90, all right, and expand equal to false, equal to false. Expand equal to false means the x padding of this both of the graph will not be concatenate. That's why we are using x pad equal to false. So run these programs, you'll get the answer and hit the enter. So you will get the answer like this. So it is the confidence interval with the naming of like this, where while I told 50 to 90 of this interval, it will take the values. Now you can add the other thing with that. So if you want to add the other thing with that after x left, so just give a comma, after that come to the downside and add something, that name of the graph you want to add, like main equal to what the name you want to give in mean temperature by month. Mean temperature per month you given it here. After that name of the organization, name dot argument you want to give like see May, June, July, August, September. I already wrote these things, so I'm taking copy paste from there. May, June, July, August, September. Okay, so I'm copying this thing and paste it here. Okay, fine, all right. So it is the name of the argument. After that, if you want to add more, then you can add that I want to add more like ylab value, ylab name, ylab equal to what is the name you want to give in. So like temp, then degree in Fahrenheit, no? Degree in degree full stop Fahrenheit. So now run these programs, I will get something else. Okay, hit the enter. Yeah, so this is the thing, that May, June, July, August, September month, each of the month you got the confidence interval, and in the along with the y-axis you got the temperature in Fahrenheit, and the y-axis values is starting from 50 to 90. In this interval it will be show, and the main, I mean the graph name is mean temperature by month. So I think hope you got the idea how it is working. So suppose on that, in the next I want to colorize the bar chart. So how to do these things? To do these things to any bar chart, to color the bar chart, it is very simple. So first take the bar plot, suppose I want to create a bar plot of like 3 4 and 5. 3 5 4. Okay, now 5 and 4, it will look good. And I want to give the color will take the color of name like green, then red, and want to take the blue one. sorry, blue. So fine. So here we'll get a bar plot of like this. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you'll get a bar plot of like this. Take a look. Where first one is length of 3, second one length is 5, and third one length is 4. So I colorize the graph with green, red, and blue color. So after that we'll customize this thing with a gray color if there is a number of bar plot. So how will do the customized things of your colorized bar plot? To do the same, let's follow my video that you should have to find the relative heights. Okay, so find the relative heights first. Dot suppose I want to find the relative heights. Relative heights is equal to rank. I want to find the rank first. That what will be the rank? A rank of height. Uh, Rank of heights first. Heights we already calculated before, heights divided by a length of the height. Okay, we got this thing. It is the relative your heights. After that, grace color, whatever the gray color, it will becomes as like grays color of from 1 to relative heights. It will take the acha grays is not there. So actually the mistake is here that it's not found the grays relative heights, so could not find the grade. Okay, gray color is not there. So bar plot, to do the bar plot, you can do one more thing. Bar plot of height and color is equal to grays. Actually a small mistake is here. Let me check it out. Let grays, I'm doing something else, I think. Yes, grays and color is like this. Could not find the gray color. Okay, if it is not get grays, so yeah, it is only gray only, not grays. After that, use the name of bar plot of heights and color. Use the color equal to gray color. Use both are gray and it's not pen. Yeah, so run this program, run this one. Object heights is not found because it is s width, that's why. So now run this programs and it will the output here. The each of the bar plot now is colorized with the grays color with their relative heights. So it will look like this. So far so it is look like this, and if you want to more add something like name, argument, and wildlife, you can add it in the same things like this way. So I'm copying these things from here, and yeah, so you want to add these things, you can add it. Suppose you want to add the main, name of the graph, after that wildlife functions, and name of the argument, what of the argument it will take, the bar plot name, you can add it here and run the program. So if you run the program, it will be look like this. All right, each and every bar plot have a name, and y-axis have their name and the range, and main graph have name of like min temp by month. Okay, So up to this video is here: how to plot a bar plot, how to colorize the bar plot, how to rename it, how to make the relative gray color of your bar plot, and relevant information. So all these things I shows in this video. If you have any query, if you have any comment, of if you have any request, please put it in the comment section below. I will try to reach you. Or if you need the code, you can put your mail id, and in request me for this code, I will send to you in your mail id. So I hope you enjoy. So please stay in touch with the Smart Follows channel. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Have a nice day. Bye.